The adoption of embryos is generally an alternative to using donor eggs or perhaps a double donor with donor eggs and donor sperm. And therefore it is indicated when we have infertility issues whereby the couples cannot use their own gametes, in single mothers who wish to become a mother without a male partner. They were going to need to either use donated sperm. If they have problems with their own eggs, they may look at embryo adoption as an alternative. And likewise with same-sex female couples, they may wish to look at embryo adoption if IVF with their own eggs is not possible. It can also be recommended in the case of a risk of passing on transmissible genetic diseases, which is not possible to test for with pre-implantation genetic diagnosis. Although PGD these days can test for many different genetically based illnesses, not all of them can be tested for. It could also be recommended in cases of repeated miscarriages. Generally, in any case where donation of egg and sperm, a double donor IVF treatment is recommended, the adoption and donation of embryos is an alternative and is indeed a more cost-effective alternative.